Um, what's up, fellas? Good morning. So, keep that there. Yeah, keep it. So, you might be wondering, while drinking your cappuccino, Apple Vision Pro. Good morning, guys. Is it's demolished by the community by now, or we can say that Apple Vision Pro's money value has been decreasing in big numbers silently. But why? This is Nishan from Smart Side, and you're watching now why Apple Vision Pro failed. So, talking about failing, it's not like failing 100%, but it's going slowly. So, Apple Vision Pro was in the biggest hype mode that we could possibly imagine not long ago, and was quite talkable. It was a talkable tech product, and it went like a whoosh, or should I say in a bush. Not for hate, I love the Vision Pro. It has amazing features and standard features, and despite its high price, it was sick, it was cool, not gonna lie. But it's not just me or you. Not the whole world does love the Vision Pro. But it would be good if you like the channel and subscribe. Sorry. Okay, continuing. Well, it's not just expensive. That's not the main point here. There are many sub-factors. One of them is the main cameras and display. So in the recent reports and websites and YouTube videos, links, social media, social platforms, and everything we've seen, there's one main point, and they say that even every people like you and me, when we buy the Vision Pro for a whopping $3,500, the customers, basically us people, not in days or weeks, but in days or in a week, basically in 1 week. We thought they came for problems. Nah, they came to return the product back to the official Apple stores and get returned their money back. Yes, people who bought the product probably are owing a lot of money, not in a bad way, but if you like this product, it still has some consequences. And as everyone says, it's on me or you. Vision Pro can only be bought if you can afford it to buy. With many amazing yet mesmerizing and techy features like spatial audio max screening, you need to pay a lot. Limit use cases and content is a disadvantage. The Vision Pro struggled to demonstrate clear and compelling use cases that justify its cost. Additionally, there was a lack of engaging high-quality content, specifically designed for the device, which reduced its attractiveness for potential buyers. So in the end, I love Vision Pro, but not everyone, and I want to say, end today's short video. So buy it if you like it, but buy it only if you can afford it. So that's me, Ishan, signing off. Check out our other Vision Pro videos, and like if you like the video, and sub if you like our channel. Share our channel and subscribe to make it go faster. And that's it for today. Bye. Take care, aficionados. I'll see you in the next one with more amazing and techy content. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.